How to create a personal portfolio using Canva step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily create your personal portfolio for your client. So this video is perfect for those people who are working as a freelance or for those people who are working as a virtual assistant. So this portfolio or personal portfolio, you can make use of this to showcase your skills, to tell about yourself, and to showcase the previous work that you have. So the software that we will be using is Canva because Canva is very easy to use and it's for free. So you just need to visit canva.com and sign up. So I've been using Canva for more than 2 years now, and I'm just using the free plan, and it's still satisfied me and it gives everything that I need. So over here, once you log into your Canva account, the first thing that you need to do is just search for the content that you want to create. So for today's video, we will be creating a personal portfolio. So you just go ahead and click this search here and then just search for portfolio. And as you can see here, we have templates, and I will just go ahead and click see all so that we can see all of the available templates that we can make use of. So the good thing about Canva is that there are tons of ready to use templates for your portfolio. So here you have the portrait and also the landscape. So we will be doing the landscape portfolio. So I will just go ahead and continue scrolling here, and I will be looking for a good portfolio that we can make use of for today's tutorial. All right, so I just like this one, the modern groovy pastel. So I will go ahead and make use of this template over here. So just click on this one and you can see the preview of the template over here. So just go ahead and click customize this template. All right, and here is our template here. And as you can see, we have the 13 pages. So you can either apply all these pages, or if you want to, you can just select the pages that you want from here, and then you can just look for another templates for your next pages. But for me, I will go ahead and click apply all pages because I like this template. It's fun, it's creative. So now you can edit or customize this template. So as you can see here, we have the 13 pages over here. And you can change the name here or the words here if you like to. So I will go ahead and change this one. For example, I will add a name. And I will just keep this because it's fine. So let's go ahead and jump to the second page. And here you can change everything here. And you can also remove some parts that you don't want here. I will just go ahead and remove the today's agenda. And I will just keep the agenda over here. And I will just duplicate this one. I just click the Control D from my keyboard since I am using Windows. And then I will just go ahead and adjust the line here. So we have this one now, and let me change the color because I like that. And then over here, you can change the word as well. We'll just change this one about myself. So it's just like this is your table of contents, something like that, showing your clients if what are the information inside your portfolio. So my work. Of course, your hobbies. I will change this one to skills. So let's go ahead and jump to the third page. So here's the page where we can tell about ourselves. So hi everyone. And of course, you can change the color here if you like to. So let me just go ahead and change it to pink. And then, of course, you can change the name here as well. I'm Olivia. R. And of course, you can change the text here as well. So you can tell about yourself this way, or you can also change this one. It will depends on you how you want to tell about yourself. And of course, you can also change the font of the text. So just go here and then you can go ahead and change the text if you like to. So I will just keep this one over here. And if you have your own brand color, you can also change the color of all the elements here. And you can make use of your brand color if you like to. Add your own photo here. So just click this one and you can change the photo. Go ahead and click this and you can go ahead and go to the upload tab located here on the left hand side panel. And then you can upload your own photo here. So just click upload files and then just get the photo from your device. And then you can replace these pictures here using your own picture if you like to. So for this one, I will just keep this and going to the next page. And over here, we can change this one to my work. So I will go ahead and delete this and also this one. So let's go ahead and go to the elements and then you can search for the M elements. And let's see if we have elements that we can use here. So we have different M here that we can make use of. So maybe this one because we have the pink and fun template. So I will go ahead and make use of this. So I have my here and then I will just go ahead and add some text. So go to the text tab and I will just go ahead and make use of the heading. And then Y. All right, so let me drag this one over here and I will just change the font style and I will just go ahead and add it here. And then I will go ahead and add another heading for the my work. And then let me just change the font style and I will just make use of this. And I will just go ahead and drag this one. So let me just go ahead and drag this one over here. So let me just change the font style of this one as well. All right, so we have this one over here now. So I have my work and then you can also change the text over here. So that's how you can easily customize everything here. So going back to the first page, hello, as you can see, you have a animate button here. So you can also click this one and you can add some animation to your portfolio if you want your portfolio to be like a video presentation. So you can just go ahead and click the share button and then just go download this one. And over here, you have option to download this one as a PDF standards. But if you want this to be a video presentation, then you also have an option to download this one as an MP4 video. And if you will be doing the video, you can see that there is also a clock here for you to adjust the second that you want this page to stay before you go to the next page. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below and thank you for watching.